Hey YouTube, I just wanted to run a quick video of a very annoying noise coming from the rear window shade when I put my car in reverse. I can make it go away by pushing the window shade button. In my preference, I want to keep the window shade up, so I just wanted to show you guys how to disconnect the window shade if you don't care to locate a fuse or anything like that. Real easy, just locate these clips up here along the top part of the carpet and you pull this sucker off. There you go. I'm gonna put the car back in reverse. And no more noise. I'm gonna push the rear window shade button and there's no more movement on those little arms on the side. I hope that helps. If you prefer to keep it up or put the shade down and disconnect it to get rid of the noise, now you have a solution.